In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SDB-IMU on your Amazon Fire TV Fire Stick. It's very simple. What you're going to need is the app downloader. If you don't already have it, go to your apps and then go to categories, and you're going to want to look for utilities. This is where you're going to find the downloads. So go to utility and download downloader. Very simple. And if you haven't already, I highly recommend you get a VPN. IPVanish is what I use. This is to protect yourself just in case of snooping and whatever the case might be. Highly recommend you get it. All right, so downloader. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it up. If you don't have it, make sure you go and download it. And you're going to enter this URL right here. And colon // and bit, so BIT dot LY. All right, then you're going to go to / and 2 uppercase I to uppercase Z X L you're going to go to 3 U B. Once you're done, you're going to go to go, and it should automatically download. Speeding this up for purposes of viewing. It might take a minute or two. Just be patient. Depends how fast your internet is. Next thing, you're going to see SDB-IMU. I purchased it from the Play Store and I backed it up. So that's what I have it. If you don't have it already, please purchase it. I believe it's $7 Canadian, and then this I'm using as a backup. So once that's done, you could open it, or you could just press done. You already done all that information, so just press the home screen to go back to the home. All right, so it should be downloaded. If you go to your apps, it's going to be all the way at the end over there. So we're going to select it. First screen you should see is this. You're going to go to config application, and then you're going to go to profile. Now, if you don't see it, you see this screen. Hold the OK button on your remote for 3 seconds, and then you're going to go to settings. Okay, so this is where you see that screen. Now let's go to profile, and we're going to create a new profile. This is the profile of your IPTV service subscription, and you're going to give it a name, the name of the service that you have subscribed to or you're planning on subscribing to. I am using Wolverine TV. Again, all these services you could definitely check out. The link in the description, IPTVforme.net. It's where you get the subscriptions. Again, IPTVforme.net. But this will work on any service you choose. For the purposes of this video, I'm using Wolverine TV because that is what I am familiar with. All right, so I put the profile, give it a name. And again, guys, it's subscription based. It's not free, okay? Just a reminder. Now, you're going to go to STB configuration. This is very important information. You might as well change it to MAG 254 STB model. Resolution, I always select auto. That is my preference, auto. And the serial number, I always erase. This way, it doesn't get locked. Okay, I always erase the serial number, and I believe for Wolverine TV, you could use it on 2 devices if you don't have the serial number. All right, so this is very important. The MAC address is 001A79. This you need to give to your reseller. Okay, you're going to fill out the form, and you're going to give him this information. If it's not 001A79, then it will not work. Don't put your device MAC. No, you want to go to this MAC. All right. So once you've given that, you're going to be given a portal URL. Okay, you're gonna erase this one here up to the rather, you're gonna erase it all the way up to http:// the reseller will give you a portal URL, and you're gonna enter it here. Now, if you enter it and you don't have your MAC address registered, you don't have confirmation that it's registered, it will not work. Okay? All right, so that information you're going to get from your reseller. Okay? So for purposes of this video, I already, have that information. I entered it. My MAC address is registered. And if all goes well, I should see a loading meter. And here we are. Simple enough, easy to do. Wolverine TV loading up, good to go on my Amazon Fire TV Firestick. It's really simple, guys. Now, for whatever reason, the link I gave you previously doesn't work. I will try to update it. Again, it is a paid app, so I highly recommend you purchase it. Support the creator.
Like plans families can mix and match, including the new Just Kids plan. Plus a free
so we see it's all working.
Falling over each other to try and figure out how to continue to expand the.
And he's talked about the fact that even within his
press OK, full screen, HD quality, really good stuff. Again, Wolverine TV loading up, good to go. And these are all the channel selections. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this video was useful. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like. Thanks for watching. Honest Fred YouTube, signing out.